Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to use the DataTable widget in your Flutter application to display clean and structured tabular data. So let's get started. So first of all, inside the center widget, we will add our DataTable widget. And the first part of the DataTable is the columns. And these are your table headers. So I am creating 3 data column widgets like ID, name and age. Next we will add our rows, and each data row contain multiple data cell and each cell hold the text you want to show. For example, ID 1 and any random name and age like John, age is 28, and I will add a few rows to show how to complete a table. Now I am also adding a tabular border to make the table look cleaner. Here I am setting a color of the border, a width for how thick the line should show, and the border radius of 8 to give the table nice rounder corners. This makes the table look more modern and visually appealing. So this is how we can use the DataTable widget in our Flutter project to show structured data in our application. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe for more Flutter tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.